Hey everybody, this is Greg coming to you with another episode of Greg's Bonsai. Today we're going to be looking at this Christina Azalea, or Azalea Christiana, depending on how you want to say it. But this I ended up getting at my local Lowe's, so shout out for Lowe's for that. No product placement here, but I was out getting something else and I decided the garden department, these guys were on sale. So just going to dive deep in here and show you this, which I'm going to eventually bonsai. You can see this beautiful flower already opened up on this. I saw the color and said, oh, I've got to grab this and just kind of hold on to it for the year. And then once next year comes up, I will start trimming this back and bonsaiing this, because this guy here will get about 3 to 4 feet tall if I let it grow all the way, and about 3 or 4 feet wide. So he does get kind of massive, or she will get kind of massive. This guy is more of a zone 5, so I will be bringing this in over the winter just because it is in a pot, and if it freezes it's gonna really damage this, and it could die over the season. So this guy will go inside, and we'll see if we can just let it sleep during the winter in my garage or inside my shed. But that's the flower that's bloomed so far. I've got another one right here, and I've got 2 more in the back. And it looks like we may have a couple more wanting to form up top here. We do have growth, so it is still growing, and you see some yellow leaves. This is probably just because I moved it out of the garden center at Lowe's into my house, right in the front yard. So we're getting the afternoon sun. I'm getting about 6 hours on this so far. But like I said, what I'm going to end up doing is most of this top stuff is just going to get trimmed off, especially these tall guys here. And we're going to try and just keep this nice thick trunk here and just go back to basics. So probably at the end of the season I might even trim this back just to get it back down to a manageable size and see how it grows over the year. But yeah, I think this is really great. We'll see what kind of bees we get here next season. But I just wanted to show this to you guys to kind of give you an idea of what you can get. And this was like under $10. I think I got this for like $8. And you can kind of just start off with stock like this. See if I can do an overhead view of this, just to kind of give you an idea of what it looks like. Yeah, we have some yellowing, but again, that's normal. And we are getting into the fall, so we'll see plants starting to drop leaves depending on how they feel comfortable wise. Again, this is being hit with more cold evenings at the moment. And as it gets colder, I'll be moving this inside. But this guy can stand hardiness to -10, -20, but it is non-hardy in zones 1 through 4, which I'm part of 4B. So we're right on the cusp. But if we put this in the ground, I think we'd be better off. But this is going to stay in a pot. And eventually I will repot it into something else. I'm thinking I'm going to stick with this kind of size pot. So this pot right now is actually kind of working out pretty well. It's got some drainage holes at the bottom, but not like on the bottom. So that's my Azalea Christiana. If you have any questions, or if you have your own, let me know how you like yours or dislike yours. If there's any problems that you've had with them, and I'll be showcasing this. Hopefully next month I'll be able to show it still again and see what the progress is from 1 month in of having it at home. Hopefully it survived, fingers crossed, and and we'll go from there. But in the meantime, we'll just keep this growing, keep watering it, and we'll see how how this guy fares for the month. So until next time, guys, make sure, like I said, comment down below if you want to see any other kind of interesting flower bushes slash trees. Let me know. This is Azalea Christiana. If you have a different color preference, I think this pink really popped out of me because I don't have any pink in the garden at the moment. And if you have any other color preferences, let me know down below. And make sure to hit that like button. And if you like what you see, make sure to hit that subscribe button as well. Just one last look here. So until next time, guys, this is Greg's Bonsai signing off. Take care, have a great day, and we'll see you next time.